drag my kite out of the way if you need. Shit. That was close. Fuck. Holy shit. I caught that. Fuck. That was a near disaster for him. That could have been a fatal. Fuck. I don't know, man. What are we supposed to do? I mean, they travel pretty fast downwind.
Yeah. Never stopped to look up.
Neither have I. Shit, I will now.
Yeah. You probably didn't know what I was doing either.
He probably should come down over the water or something. I suppose they can't. Fuck. Yeah.